Good day, it's Rowena List from GettingItTogether.ca, and today I'd like to chat with you about the 3 common mistakes that professional organizers see. These aren't in any particular order, but it is so common in almost every single house, if not all homes. The first one is where people don't get started on their organizing because they don't feel they have the time. They want to set aside a whole day. Oh, like, let's do it on Saturday. It's a nice day and let's clear the garage of all the clutter. But then what happens? Saturday comes along and all they want to do is get on their bike or go for a hike or sit at an outdoor pub and have a beer. So what I recommend is that you do your clearing of the clutter in 15 minutes or less segments. Chunk them out. And on my website, GettingItTogether.ca, I have several 15 minutes to freedom tips that you can take a look at. So don't get caught up in that mistake of waiting until you have an entire day. The second mistake that most people make is that if they've got the room, why don't you just keep it? What's the point in getting rid of it, they'll say to me. Well, the point is that you only want to keep things that you absolutely use, love, and need. Pass the other stuff on with love. And it's okay to have empty closet space or empty storage space. There's no need to store all these items for just in case, the 3 deadliest words. The third most common mistake that people make that I see is that they save all their old beauty products that they're no longer using. All those containers with this much lotion, this much, that they, hair products that they bought, they used a little bit, they didn't like, then they bought something new that they thought would be better. All right, package up all of those products and drop them off at your local women's shelter. They will be happy to use those products up for you, or force yourself to use them before you buy anything new. Well, I hope these tips have helped you. In the meantime, check out GettingItTogether.ca and the rest of this article, and hey, reach out for your 15-minute to freedom discovery session.